scenery. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're off to Ballyquin to look for an Ogham stone and portal tomb, hopefully, for the road adventure. So I've never been to Ballyquin. It looks very remote, so we look forward to seeing and finding new different things. So as usual, filling up with petrol first. So let's do this. Yeah, we're heading off to Ballyquin. As I said earlier, there's a couple of different places I looked for the prehistoric stones for this month, but I decided on this one. It's about 25 minutes ride out there, and like I said, it looks interesting on the map as well. There looks to be a couple of different things out there as well. I've seen something, it was like a mock clay is what comes to my head, like a prehistoric, it's like an igloo for all the world, okay? It's like the prehistoric igloo, that's the shape, but it's made from clay and like hay and stuff like that. That's what it looks like on the map anyway. I've never seen anything like it, but whether someone's just made it themselves or whether it's always been there. Well, always been there as in like it's prehistoric. So that'll be interesting as well to see what it's like. So yeah, we're gonna have a little journey. I don't have my hoodie on underneath my summer jacket for the first time this year, which feels nice. I still have my long sleeve thermal top underneath, but it's not overly warm. It just keeps you warm enough because there's lots of vents in this jacket, and I have a t-shirt underneath as well, and I've all my gear, so all the gear all the time. That's the way I roll. So yeah, we're heading off to Ballyquin. As I said earlier, there's a couple of different places I looked for the prehistoric stones for this month, but I decided on this one. It's about 25 minutes ride out there, and like I said, it looks interesting on the map as well. There looks to be a couple of different things out there as well. I've seen something, it was like a mock clay is what comes to my head, like a prehistoric, it's like an igloo for all the world, okay? It's like the prehistoric igloo, that's the shape, but it's made from clay and like hay and stuff like that. That's what it looks like on the map anyway. I've never seen anything like it, but whether someone's just made it themselves or whether it's always been there. Well, always been there as in like it's prehistoric. So that'll be interesting as well to see what it's like. So yeah, we're gonna have a little journey. I don't have my hoodie on underneath my summer jacket for the first time this year, which feels nice. I still have my long sleeve thermal top underneath, but it's not overly warm. It just keeps you warm enough because there's lots of vents in this jacket, and I have a t-shirt underneath as well, and I've all my gear, so all the gear all the time. That's the way I roll. I hope you're enjoying the videos this summer, getting out and about a lot more, seeing loads of different places. Obviously I do that in the winter as well, but it's just better in the summer, isn't it? Really, riding is better in the summer. And yeah, you know, I've wanted to travel far, but with everything going on, you're trying to do everything with the family and all that, kids and all that kind of stuff as well. It's hard to get away somewhere far, you know, for an extended period and stuff like that. So hopefully I can get somewhere for a couple of days, but I'm not holding my breath for it yet. Hopefully I can, but if not, we'll make up for it another stage, you know. Roasting. I was thinking to put a hoodie in my bag and all. Story of the Mottle Well. I knew there was something. I knew it. Right, take the helmet off and have a look. So we found this gem of a place. It's a holy well. It's the story of Mottle Holy Well. I knew I seen a house like that. I was saying to you earlier, I think it's over that side, but let's have a look in here first. See what it's like. It's the story of the Mottle Well at Mottle Hall, Ogham. Now the abbey was founded in this area in the 6th century by St. Brogan, who was succeeded by Oh look, the side of we're here, Holy Well is there, and then the dolmen, side of like the dolmen there and there. So it's probably up there somewhere. I won't be able to find it. How far away is that? Oh, is that it up there? Oh, that's it up there, look. I can't see it, but yeah. Let's have a look around here first. So, this is the Holy Well, and that's the dolmen up there. Cool. This is the Holy Well. I have a bottle of water, actually, a bottle for water. I'm going to get some holy water for my parents, because the last one we're at, in the last video, with the Holy Wells, I was wondering what the pans were for. The pans were actually for holy water. So, this is what this is for. So, I'm going to get some holy water, bring it home. How cool. How cool is that? Let's try to get some holy water without falling in. Imagine. I'm up to that field and the Ogham stone is up there. Oh, this could be an adventure yet. So we're going to have a look around here anyway, while we're here. This place is stunning, absolutely stunning. So we're going to trek up and see, is that the dolmen up there? I think there's a dolmen with an Ogham stone. I'm going to go up and see what it's like, see can I get the bike anywhere near it. It'd be fantastic. So let's change the battery over first and we go then. The dolmen and the Ogham stone. Now I'm thinking, can I get the bike up here? Oh, the temptation. It seems, the ground seems to be solid. Something, the Ogham stone, I think there's a story about this. I'll look it up later and I'll put it up, but I think this stone, a giant came for clothes or something. The farmer couldn't make clothes big enough, so they ended up throwing the stone at the farmer or the tailor and burying him underneath the stone. And there's supposed to be hand grips of the joint somewhere, fingerprints or something on the Ogham stone. Huh. Oh, maybe there, look. Maybe they're the hand marks. Don't know if I touched that wire now or not. So that's the Ogham stone there. And then we're going to have a look at this down here. Hello, moo cows. So they are, I'm not sure if they're the Ogham stones, these two, this one and this one. Because there's no inscription or there's nothing on it, but it could be because it's supposed to be out this way. But that's definitely a dolmen. And now will I chance getting the bike over there so I can get a picture with it? Why not? They're adventures. The ground is hard. The grass is a bit high, but it's the ground that matters, you know. So the bike should be able to take one of the courses that come along here. So I think I'll do it. What do you think? Why not? It's an adventure, isn't it? So let's go back to the bike. Let's go get a picture of the dolmen, and let's hope I find the Ogham stone on the way back home. That'd be cool. I'd love to see that as well. So a right little place. I love these finds. Unreal what you do when you look around, isn't it? I passed it off, but I never looked at it till I went in there and read, and they gave you a little map on it. So that's why these things are great, when people are putting maps and stuff up to help people who are, you know, we're on road adventures challenge obviously, but some people could be doing a prehistoric tour in Ireland and or Waterford and stuff like that as well. So I'm going to put this up on the I Am Waterford page and some of the Waterford pages as well, so other people can enjoy it as well. So let's go get back on the bike. It's really warm. I might take off this thermal actually and let's get on an adventure and see what happens. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go through the field and try and get closer to the dolmen. I'm sure the farmer won't have a problem. We're not going to rip the place asunder, and the ground is hard because obviously showing in the video I've walked up there, and I may stress again that it is really warm. That's a great feeling, but not so nice on the sweat front. Let's see how this goes. Seems okay so far. Just going to follow the trail. Should be okay. I'm really telling myself that. I'm going to go with the dolmen because I want to get the picture right. So yeah, like I said, the ground is hard anyway, so you know, it should be okay to the dolmen. Oop, a little spin there. We're okay though, we're on the right trail. I'm absolutely sweating. I haven't even tied up my jacket yet. Oh, what a day, it's great. Get out in the bike now, the wind will be going through me, so that'll be good. Go through the vents in the bike. So yeah, brought the Bonnie up, went up only a small little skid. Not even, you know, it's just an adjustment more than anything. And that's the dolmen there. I don't know if that's an Ogham stone or that one is an Ogham stone over there, but this is the one. I didn't think I'd find something as big as this now, so very happy with that. And hopefully I can find the other Ogham stone up. It's up by a pillar somewhere. Hope I can find that. That would be cool, because there's a cool story to that. The Bonnie does off-road. Now you're talking about a back road. Look at all this grass. I have my visor up, but I have my sun visor down. I need that bit of air coming in. Oh, this jacket's great. Revit Eclipse summer jacket. Oh, the vents are so nice.